everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So in this video, I will be unboxing the Bling Bag for the month of March. In case you're not aware, then let me tell you that Bling Bag is a monthly jewelry subscription bag wherein you get 4 premium quality jewelry pieces. And basically, whenever you'll be signing up, they'll ask you a bunch of questions. It will be a very detailed questionnaire wherein you can pick your preferences and the kind of styles you like, and accordingly they will customize a bag every month and send it across. Now this actually retails for $14.99 for a month, but if you go in for a subscription more than a month, like for 3 months, 6 months, 9 or 12 months, you will get a discount as well. Now they also have different options available, like you can build your own bling bag, but that will retail for $19.99. However, you'll be aware about what products you're getting, and you can also send across your outfits to them, and the team will help you style your outfits and pick nice jewelry pieces to complement your outfit as well. Or if you're not into all of this, you can just go and check out their Bling Boutique, wherein you can pick specific pieces that you like if you're not into getting 4 pieces in one go, or you do not want to be surprised and you want to be very specific about what you want, then you can check out their Bling Boutique and pick the kind of pieces you want exactly. Now if you are going to check out their website and buy something, then let me tell you, I have 2 coupon codes for you. If you go for the Bling Bag, then you can use this coupon code to get an extra bling in your bag, and if you're going to check out their Bling Boutique and buy specific jewelry pieces, then you can use this code to get an extra 10% off. Now talking about this month's Bling Bag, this is how the box looks like. This standard packaging, and the theme for this month is actually Superwoman, because 8th March was Women's Day, and they have sent across this pretty card wherein they have wished all the divas a happy Women's Day. And this is how the inside of the box looks like, nicely bubble wrapped. Let me pull out the bag and see what I have received in this month. Okay, so one more thing, if you go in for a subscription plan for 3 months, then you can use the code FREEMINI, and in the 4th month you'll get a free mini bag as well. I will leave all the coupon codes in the description bar below so that you can check that out and make a wise decision. And now coming back to what I have actually received. So this is how the Bling Bag for this month looks like. It's cute. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of this design, however, but I love the quality of this pouch. It's really good, and I can definitely use this for keeping my products, skincare products, while traveling, or some makeup. And it also has one zip inside, which is nice, and this is pretty thick quality. It's really good, and it also has a little this thing to attach, that you can attach with the zip. So yeah, that's an extra thing. I love the quality of the bag, but I'm not really a fan of the design. But moving on, the first piece that I can see, I think it's a bracelet, and this one retails for $7.99 rupees. Let me just quickly open this and show it to you guys. This is how the bracelet looks like. It's very chic, nice, elegant bracelet. I definitely see myself wearing this one. It's pretty cool. Alright, so the second product is something like this. One thing that I want to mention, I really like that they send these individual portlies for all the items. I really appreciate that thing. It's so good, and you can use this for future storage as well. So this thing retails for $999. I cannot guess what exactly it is. Let me just quickly open this one as well. Wow, this is actually neck piece, and I love the pendant. It's like 6 butterflies of different sizes, and this looks so pretty. Oh my god, I love this one, and the quality is also amazing. Like, it feels so sturdy, but not heavy as well at the same time. And this is like the rose gold, really pretty. Alright, since my mehendi is interrupting with the design, let me put it against my hair and show it to you guys. This is the design and it looks so pretty and it's stunning. I love this one. This is so good. Like, come on, this is so pretty. Wow, love this one. Alright, so moving on. Alright, this I know, this is a pair of earrings and this one retails for $8.99. Let me quickly open these as well. So this is how these look. I love this design. This is like lightweight, very nice casual design that can make any outfit, show up. Really like this one. So this is how the earrings look on me. I really like them. Very pretty, very nice and extremely lightweight. Alright, so time for the last product. Okay, alright, this one is a ring and this one retails for $6.99 and this is a big ring. So this is how the ring looks like. I like it. It's nice. I am actually a ring holder. So I like this one. It's pretty. It's different as well. So yeah, nice. So that was all for the unboxing. I personally like all the 4 pieces, but still if I have to pick one, I think earrings would be my favorite piece out of the 4, and then the neck piece, then the bracelet, and then the ring. So yeah, make sure to check out all the discount coupons in the description bar and make the most of them. And I will see you soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Hit the like button and share your requests in the comment section below. I would love to read them. So bye bye, take care.